your girl Simone Charisse, and today in this video, this look is completely different for me. I say that about every look, but this look is really different because it's short, curly, and it's red. This hair is provided by Gem Beauty. In this video, I went ahead and I did 2 cornrows for ya. I recorded this video about a month ago, and I didn't like the way the outcome was. You know when you do like Pinterest tutorials and you're so excited how it's gonna come out, or YouTube tutorials and it comes out nothing like that? Yeah, that's what happened to me. Alright guys, so this is the wig that I made with the bundles and the frontal that was sent to me from Gem Beauty. This process I kind of sped through because you guys have seen me dye hair a million times. I have so many dye videos down below in the description box, carefully explaining to you what I did step by step as far as the bleaching process, but I'll say it really quick. So I kind of just used BW2 powder and 40 developer to bleach the hair. And I kept the bleach on for a total of 40 minutes, and I did this process twice. In between dyeing it both times, I did shampoo it once, and that was it. So this is it, not being conditioned. This is just one shampoo, and I just towel dried it, went back in for the next round. You can wait till the hair is dry, it's up to you. But I will say the hair kept up so well. It was so amazing. Like, I went in with Ruby Red, and I used 2 bottles of this, and it kind of looks like tomato sauce or blood. So it's really messy. Make sure you have gloves on for this, guys. You don't want to use your bare hands or your hands will be stained. Make sure you're opening the hair and getting this dye everywhere. I only conditioned it about 2 to 3 times actually after, because you want to make sure the red is all completely out of the hair. So no shampooing, guys. It's a semi-permanent dye. It's not 100% permanent. Now, I recorded this video a month ago, and I did not like the end result. I did not like it at all. Like I said in the beginning, I tried to do something new, and it flopped. So, here I am a month later, getting back to it, and I kind of just wanted something simple but cute with this hair. I love how the color came out. I wish I would have made the color go up a little bit more so that I could do like curly bangs with this. So I might go in a little bit later next time and do like curly bangs with this, but the curl pattern of this, guys, is amazing. Like, it does not frizz up, and it kind of stays intact. Like, everything, once you brush it, comb it, and put your serum on it, I used Lotta Body's curl enhancer, and it really made my hair look really nice, and just the curls looked full and so pretty. But this color, guys, this color is amazing. Like, shout out to Adore and Ruby Red, because why I keep saying Ruby Red? Ruby Red. This color made the wig pop even more, so I was super impressed by that. But the hair was amazing. The hair did not really shed. I brushed through it quite a few times, which you'll see towards the end, and it was just so nice. Like, I love the hair. So I'm not a fan really of curly hair, but I know I've been doing a bunch of curly reviews because you guys asked for it. But this hair is really nice. It held up very well. It was very obedient, so that's always a plus for me. So I'm just going to I only did 2 braids on each side, and then I put this up in a ponytail, which is like my little mini signature hairstyle. And I'm going to take the 4 braids from each side, and just take another rubber band and include it into the main ponytail. Yeah, so now we're at the end, and I kind of just wet the hair with water to start off with, and then I'm just going to brush it out with, I call it a weave brush or a paddle brush, and just make the curls come back alive again. But, oh, look at these curls, guys. These curls are amazeballs. Like, love it. Feels so great, too. In this video, I did cornrows, I colored and everything, and then to show you guys how I tamed my curls, I went ahead and used Lotta Body. Now, Lotta Body has been one of my favorite products for so long. I hosted a giveaway where you guys were able to join and everything, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have been a part of that about last month, and you were able to get everything from their entire line sent to you. So I already chose the winner, but that just shows you guys you should be following me on Instagram. Okay? Alright, so here I am being dramatic, but no, the curls just look so nice. I had to do the most, but thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the items and the links to the hair will be down in the description box below, and see you guys in my next video.